Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
All right, my loves, let's come on through with this Nadula hair lace front wig. So I'm coming through and showing you guys just what we got in this box. Okay, we got a cap, which we love, the edge comb, and some earrings and some lashes that are abnormally large, but I ain't mad at them. Okay, this is the unit. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. It's a bone straight unit. She's 28 inches, I believe. She's going for just under $400 on Nadula.com. Okay. Now, mind you, they always have a sale. I heard you in the back, Andrea, clutching your pearls, baby, but they always have a sale. And I know you guys love to watch a good quality hair review. So, I'm saying all that to say because this unit is so much expensive, because she's so much expensive. What we're going to do is go through with our bald cap method. I'm just using the Got to Be Glued. This is the new spray. I actually really like this one over the yellow can. And I'm going through and I'm just making sure that we get and lay this cap all the way down in preparation for us to glue mother all the way down. So let's get on into this. Despite the fact that we are going to go through with the bald cap method, I do expect for this to be a really easy install. Now this unit is stunning. And I know I've been saying that a lot. I'm going to go look for some more adjectives, I promise. Okay. But the reality is that it's beautiful hair. And I think moreover, what's more important is how stunning this lace is. Okay. She's absolutely giving pre-plug bleach sex magic. Okay. All of that. And I really am feeling it now. I want to come through and give and provide bad to the bone, better than a mother jumper. I want to give Bone Thugs and bad straight harmony. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this unit, as not only gluing her down with our boho liquid gold, but going through and figuring out how we're going to style her. And I decided the best way to do this is keep mother as close to straight hair as possible. Why? Because she's silky, ho. Why would I go through and mess her up? Okay? Shout out to the people in the back who said the same damn thing. Like, girl, she's already done. Okay? Just give her some heat. Throw some heat up in her and get her together. So that's all that we're going to do today. I'm going to shut my Mimi Tat mouth and then we're going to finish styling her down. completed our Nadula hair unit. This unit is stunning. Look at that lace, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I really do love this wig. Nadula hair actually almost never does anything wrong. The thickness on this is really, really nice. She's 150% density, I believe. Super bone straight and sexy. I'm going to stand up so you guys can get the full length situation going on. Super sleek and sexy. Like super duper. I love this unit. I really don't have much to say except for yes. Yes, yes. More yeses and yes after that. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I think that this unit was super easy to get together. I definitely took my time with her. She's definitely something that you guys need to check out. Nadula hair always comes through with the come through, okay? And today was not any different. Like, I just am obsessed with this lace. Motherfucking sis. Like, what? Good night. She's really, really pretty. You absolutely could wear her any way. The lace is fantastic. Okay. You get part and space on each side. Super stunning. I don't want to mess up my hairstyle too much. Yes. All right. So I'm all done. I really ain't got nothing else to give. This unit was absolute fire. I'm just making my chair taller so you guys can get a real good look at her. I'm into this. What do you guys think? I feel like this unit is effortless AF. It's super lightweight. She did not tangle at all. I mean, not even a little bit. She did shed a little teeny weeny bit, but just a few strands here and there. And I didn't chop her or do anything extra to her. We literally just did a bone straight unit and came through with the come through. And that's it, and that's all. Okay? So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to the channel. Let me know exactly what you're thinking about this bone straight unit from Nadula Hair. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.